Bless me, Father, for I have sinned.
Van Helsing! You murderer!
Why can't you tell the world I work for you?
Because we do not exist.
We need you to go to the east, to the far side of Romania. An accursed land, terrorized by all sorts of nightmarish creatures, lorded over by a certain Count Dracula.
So you're sending me into hell?
Everybody inside!
He's the first one to kill a vampire in over 100 years.
I'd say I'd earned him a drink. Some say you're a murderer, Mr. Van Helsing. Others say you're a holy man. Which is it?
It's a bit of both.
Is it the Wolfman hasn't killed you yet?
Don't worry, he's getting to it. Now that I have your attention.
Hello, Gabriel. We have such history, you and I.
How do you know me?